Hi everyone. Let's look at the first question in trigonometric functions. 33rd, tan A plus cot A, tan A plus cot A is given equal to 4. We need to find tan power 4A plus cot power 4A. So here let's take squaring on both sides. We get tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 tan A into cot A, that is equal to 4 square 16 tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 tan A into cot A. Tan A and cot A, they are reciprocal, so they will be cancelled. You can write tan A and cot A you can write as 1 by tan A, that is equal to 16. So here you can cancel. So what we get here is tan square A plus cot square A equal to 16 minus 2, that will be 14. So what we need is tan power 4. So we can take squaring on both sides one more time. So that becomes tan power 4A plus cot power 4A plus 2 tan square A into cot square A, that is equal to 14 square. 14 square. So again we can take tan power 4A plus cot power 4A equal to, this you can cancel again, these are reciprocals. 2 we can take 14 square minus 2. So 14 square minus 2 will be 196 minus 2, that will be equal to 194. So you can get option D. So 196 minus 4, that will be option D, 194. Yeah, this is your next question. Sin A minus root 6 cos A is equal to root 7 cos A. Then you should find cos A plus root 6 sin A. Take the given equation, sin A is equal to, we can send this to the right side, then we get root 7 cos A plus root 6 cos A. In both the terms, we can take cos A common, we get root 7 plus root 6. Now, how to proceed from here? For that, we should observe what is the equation that we require. What is that we need? Here if you observe, we have cos A into root 7 plus root 6. But if you look at what we need, we have cos A. That means we need cos A. We do not want this root 7 plus root 6. So take this here. So sin A by root 7 plus root 6, that is equal to cos A. Now what we do from here, in the denominator we have a rational factors. So we take rationalization here. Sin A by root 7 plus root 6 into rationalize root 7 minus root 6 by root 7 minus root 6, that is equal to cos A. So multiply sin A root 7, sin A into root 7 sin A minus root 6 sin A. In the denominator, A plus B into A minus B, that is 7 minus 6, that is equal to cos A. So again if you look at from this, we need cos A plus root 6 sin A. So this we can send it to the right side. Here we get sin A, that is equal to, take this to the right side, we get cos A plus root 6 sin A. Anyway, this is 7 minus 6, that is 1. So cos A plus root 6 sin A, that is equal to root 7 sin A. That will be option B. Next question, secant square theta plus cosecant square theta equal to, let's first convert this secant square theta into 1 by cos square theta plus cosecant square theta as 1 by sin square theta. Now take LCM, sin square theta into cos square theta. In numerator we get sin square theta plus cos square theta. So that is equal to 1 by sin square theta cos square theta. So that will be equal to 1 by sin square theta is cosecant square theta. 1 by cos square theta is secant square theta. So the result will be secant square theta into cosecant square theta. So sin A by sin B is equal to m, cos A by cos B is equal to n. Then you need to find the value of tan B. Find the value of tan B. So first let's take this as sin A is equal to m into sin B. Cos A is equal to n into cos B. Now if you take squaring on both sides, sin square A is equal to m square sin square B. If you take square this also, cos square A is equal to n square cos square B. Now add both sin square A plus cos square A is equal to, add left hand side and the right hand side, n square sin square B plus n square cos square B. Now this is equal to 1, equal to m square sin square B plus n square cos square B. What we need is tan B. When we need tan B, we can have sin by cos. If you have sin by cos, then we can get tan B. So divide the equation by cos square B. Divide the equation by cos square B. So if you divide by cos square B, we get 1 by cos square B is equal to m square into sin square B by cos square B plus n square cos square B by cos square B. So this can be written as secant square B, that is equal to m square, and this is tan square B plus n square. Cos square B is cancelled. Now this is in terms of secant square. We can convert this as tan square by using the formula secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. This I told identities, so this is one of the identities. So we can substitute this 1 plus tan square B. This if you get clear, minus m square tan square B equal to n square. Take tan square B common. Tan square B if you take common, 1 minus n square, that is equal to n square. Now again tan square B will be equal to n square by 1 minus m square. So take root on both sides. If you take root on both sides, you get plus n square. So here we have 1 minus n square equal to tan square b equal to n square by 1. Here we have 1, right? So this 1 is there. So 1 you take it here, you get n square minus 1. So this becomes n square minus 1. Now you take root. If you take root, so tan b is equal to plus or minus root n square minus 1 by 1 minus m square, or you can also write this as plus or minus root. If you take minus common here, you get 1 minus n square by, if you take minus common here, you get m square minus 1. Minus minus, what you take common, that will be cancelled. So you can either, in the options you can have this option or you can have this option. One of the options will be given, you have to select the correct option. So in this, if you see, it is given in terms of 1 minus n square by m square minus 1. So this option is given, but sometimes you can use this option also. Based on which option is given there, you have to select that. So here it is option B. Okay, look at the next question. 3 sin theta plus 5 cos theta is equal to 4. You need to find 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. If you observe both the equations, for 3 it is sin theta here, but here for 3 it is cos theta. For 5 it is cos theta, but here for 5 it is sin theta. So this is one important type of problems, one important method. So what we need to do when you get these type of problems where the coefficients are interchanged. Here you can see 3 for sin theta, but here it is 3 for cos theta. So when it is interchanged like that, it is very important. So what we need to do is, let this value be x. X equal to 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Take squaring on both sides. X square is equal to 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. So this becomes a minus b whole square, that is 25 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta minus 2ab, that is 2 into 5 10, 10 into 3 30 sin theta into cos theta. So this is equal to, now this is very important step here. Now what we need to do is, this side we should convert into cos and this cos we should convert into sin, because here the coefficients are interchanged. So here also we are trying to interchange. Sin square theta we make 1 minus cos square theta plus 9. Cos square theta we write 1 minus sin square theta, that is minus 30 sin theta cos theta. Now this is equal to 25 minus 25 cos square theta plus 9 minus 9 sin square theta minus 30 sin theta into cos theta. So 25 plus 9, that is 34. So we get 34. Remaining, try to write in bracket minus of 25 cos square theta, 25 cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta plus 30 sin theta into cos theta. So that is equal to 34 minus, now if you observe this one, this can be written as 5 cos theta whole square plus 3 sin theta whole square plus this is 2 into 5 into, or you can write this as 2 5 cos theta into 3 sin theta. We can write this 30 sin theta cos theta as 2 into 5 cos theta into 3 sin theta. Now you can observe this is 2 into 5 10, 10 into 3 30, 30 sin theta cos theta. But if you look at the whole thing, this is a square plus this is b square, this is plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we get a plus b whole square, that is 5 cos theta plus 3 sin theta whole square. So that is equal to 34 minus, now you can observe this is the given value 5 cos theta plus 3 sin theta, and that value is equal to 4 square. So that is 34 minus 16, which is equal to 18. So this is one important type of problem where the coefficients of sin and cos are interchanged. So you take the given, you take what we have to find as x, then we can take squaring on both sides. Then this is important step, because here it is interchanged, here also we take sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta and cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta minus 30 sin theta cos theta. Now just multiply, expand. First take the constant, that is 34, remaining everything if you take in a bracket, we can write that as, we can write the remaining thing as square of this. We can write the remaining thing as square of this. So we are trying to get that in the form of a plus b whole square. So once you convert that, we can substitute the value 4, we get 34 minus 16, which is equal to 18. So thank you. Remaining questions, they are easy questions what we have done in textbook, they are same type of questions. You can go through the remaining questions.